only other version of this would be like a polar molecule.
So the Van der Waal is only going to be when it's all canceled out like that. Is it always going to be when it's not polar?
Right. Right. Exactly. Good.
You know, oh my bad. You know it was tetrahedral because because what? Oh, because, okay, no, never mind. Sorry, I'm talking to myself.
It's okay. All right. Let's do a. This covers polarity too, and H bond. This will cover everything else. Let's do one more, and then we can call it a day. All right. The last one. I'm going to start from scratch.
Which one?
Let's do just a regular. Well, I'm not going to tell you what kind it is.
Okay. Can Molly not say?
Sure. Molly cannot say. Just think inside.
You get it.
I actually didn't.
But you just did.
Oh my god, people.
No.
Sounds so much like a skirt.
So much sass. I think Mr. Salmon was sassy.
You know, you are the biggest Mr. Sassy fans. I think in this entire grade.
She wrote over
But you get away from it.
She wrote
You get over it.
Yeah, it hurts my feelings. It does.
Look at your chemistry. Please.
Stop.
If you don't be like, I'm going to answer the question.
Molly, get up.
Oh.
Someone's sassy.
Oh shit. Shut up. You're such.
Okay. Let's do this. Let's do CH.
Not sassy.
2.
Shut up.
All right. There it is. CH2O. Let's figure out the loose dots. All right. Let's put all these out. It's really not that hard, so I'll help you out. And we've got 6 around the oxygen. I'm going to erase these. Sometimes it's helpful during this, during the test or the quest or the quiz or whatever you're doing, to highlight the single dots, because the single dots are the ones that you need to know where they are. So sometimes people draw empty circles for those, if that helps. I've seen that happen.
Wait, which one's the
So you need to connect all the single dots here.
Do we have a chem quiz tomorrow?
No. Let's do this as the central atom.
See?
That is the central atom. All right. Let's try it. Let's put this single dot connected with that single dot, and this single dot connected with that. Now I could have gotten this wrong. I could have put this in different places, but I'm just gonna, for time's sake, I'm just gonna connect these correctly.
Please.
Like that.
Yeah.
Okay. So you see that it's going to be a double bond there. So I'll just write this out like this. With the 2 dots, this is critical. You will lose points if you do not put these dots. Ask a few students.
I literally just
You know, seriously, come on.
I swear to you, I'm just.
You don't need to swear to me about anything.
I promise you, I'm just.
It's fine. Okay, so since this is now the central atom, you need to think about a couple things here for the molecular shape. First, does it have any lone pairs? Does it? Lone pairs?
No.
Yes.
No. It doesn't. The O does, but the C doesn't. So there's no lone pairs, and then how many atoms is it connected to? It's connected to 1, 2, 3. So
Trigger. No.
it's
Tetrahedral.
No,
There's 3. This makes no sense.
so 3. Always start off with a tri.
Trigonal, pyramidal.
Trigonal. And now let's think about this. If it was a pyramidal, it would need to push those 3 bonds down.
It is pushing them down with 2 H's, right?
Well, if we had another lone pair right there, then it would push them back. But since we don't, now it's just flat. Yeah, trigonal planar. And then that makes the bond angle what?
How do we know how to draw?
Wait. No. 120.
Wow, nice.
Oh, okay, cool.
How do we know how to draw that? when you drew it? 'Cause
Oh, okay. I just drew it like that artificially because I already knew what the answer was. So you might just draw it like this, and that'd be fine.
But how do we? How? I'm confused how we're gonna figure out whether it's a trigonal planar tetrahedral.
Well, the difference between trigonal planar is back.
Tetrahedral is 4.
No, I understand tetrahedral, but I don't understand like we have to figure figure out whether it's a trigonal planar or a trigonal.
We have to go all the way back.
Well, the only difference is that this does not have a lone pair here. If this was connected to three things and it had a lone pair, then it would be like a little tripod. Because this lone pair, wherever it is, it's pushing those
That's why
other
it
ones
pushes them
away.
away.
Yeah.
Okay.
So since it's not pushing them away, they can be in the same plane, and that's as far away they can
I
be
get
from
it.
each
Do
other.
we have to remember what's trigonal planar as well? Or you can like
You won't get the chart for this. Polar. Is it polar?
Yes.
Yes. Where is it polar to? It's going towards.
That's
Going
going
this way. Then,
Diagonal left.
there it is. So like total, it's going to go like in that direction, I guess. If we had the oxygen drawn correctly here, it would be towards the oxygen. So this polar, yeah,
Yes.
I bet it is. It's definitely polar. Now what IMF is this?
It's
It's the H, not the H bonds. It's H bonds.
No, because there's no HC. There's no HC. Is there?
No, there's not.
There
It's
is no
only-
HC.
It's
No,
H
It's a vendor.
I've gotten all three answers.
No,
It's
it's
dipole.
It's
It's
dipole.
dipole. Boom, boom.
I said it because it
Goes
was
down.
Yes. Yes.
This is now officially the
This
rowdiest
is an
review
ordered
session
page.
ever.
Oh,
I like it small, but like, and
Yeah.
I'll answer some of
This is
these
so
people
much
that are
fun.
always like talking and being away the camera.
I hope they all watch this. I hope they all watch this.
Rishi's not a good cameraman.
No, he just he put his face in the camera last week.
Yeah.
That was weird.
Well, all right. Well, that's it.
I can't wait for the
Okay. Thanks,
Yeah.
everybody.
Oh my god,
Wait,
that's
are we
really
done?
fun.
Thanks,
I
everybody.
came at the end for nothing. That's so dumb.
I'm yelling. It's not me being sassy, Molly. God.
You're always sassy.
Oh,
Yeah.